All right, language explorers. Let's look at this Friday's Friday idiom. So, the calm. Before the storm. Storm. Let's try and get a picture of storm. Okay, right, here we are. Yeah, the storm. Yes, exactly. What is this? What's going on here? All right, okay. Yeah. Storm, yeah. Yes. Storm. Yeah, so the time that is quiet and relaxed before something big or troublesome. Troublesome with trouble. Trouble, a lot of trouble. Trouble. Oh, trouble. Oh, problems. Oh, happens. Happens. Definitely. The calm before the storm. Things are relaxed. Yeah. Enjoyable. Before the storm. How cool is that? Yeah. So, I'm eating, and now it is the calm before the storm. Yeah, the calm before the storm happens before anything really happens before the madness ensues. Yeah, before crazy things happen. Crazy things happen, yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. That was the calm before the storm. Yes. All that peace and tranquility was the calm before the storm. Yeah. The calm before the storm. But then things changed. Yeah. How cool is that? Little did we know that would be the calm before the storm. After that event, everything changed. That was the calm before the storm. After that, everything changed. Yes. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. Little did we know how... Little did we know what was going to happen next. Little did we know what was going to happen next. Yeah. That was the calm before the storm. Things happened. Yeah. Terrible. Terrible things happened then. Yeah, bad things happened soon after. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. The calm before the storm was often the most stressful time, or the least stressful. Yeah. We didn't have much to do. No great worries. Things were easy. We did not have much to do, and nor were there any challenges. It was all easy. That was the calm before the storm. Then everything changed. Yeah. Went from peace. Let's try and get a picture. Let's try and get a nice picture. Oh, this is okay. From this. Okay, let's try that again. Oh, perfect. Yeah, very nice. From this to this, maybe. Whoops. Let's change that. Very good. Yeah. From this to that. Yeah, the calm before the storm. Yeah, the calm before the storm. Oh, before bad things happened. Oh. Some might say it was a better time. Maybe. Some might say it was a better time. Depends. Yeah. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. So the calm before the storm. So can you write it in a sentence? Put it in the comments below and like the video, subscribe to the channel, more videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me by searching English with Adrian on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram, as well as on Udemy by looking for Adrian Nanchev. Yep. Oops. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.